Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Science Lesson 3 Force Evaluation part. The first one we are going to see is fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, a dash is needed to make a stationary object move. The answer is force. Second one, the force applied with the help of muscle is called dash force. The correct answer is muscular force. Next one, dash and dash are known as forces. The right answer is pull and push are known as forces. Fourth one, the reason for the fruits to fall from the tree is dash. The right answer is gravitational force. Fifth one, force changes the dash and dash. The right answer is force changes the speed and direction. The next one we are going to see is match the words with their pictures. The first picture is skating. The right answer is friction. The next picture is a baby riding a battery bike. Here mechanical force is used. So the answer is mechanical force. The next picture is a man riding the bullet cart. The right answer is actually the man is pulling. So the right answer is pulling. The next one is lifting a car. The next picture is making a pot. Actually it is made by human hands. So it is a muscular force. And the last one is hitting a ball. So we move on to next one, that is answer the following questions. The first one is how do you open the door? Answer is we can open the door by pulling or pushing the door. The second one is name the types of force. Answer is there are two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force is classified into three. They are muscular force, mechanical force and frictional force. Non-contact force is classified into two. They are gravitational force and magnetic force. The third one, which force is involved in collecting water from well? The answer is muscular force is involved in collecting water from well. The fourth one, what is push? The answer is when a force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called push. The fifth one, what kind of force is used to make clay pot? The answer is muscular force is used to make clay pot. The next one is Sujata places a magnet near some objects. What are the objects that will be attracted from the list given below? The list given below are note, pin, coin, rubber, shirt, comb, tumbler, and nail. We can see one by one. The first one is note. Note is made up of papers, so magnet cannot attract it. So note is not an answer. Next one, pin. Pin will be attracted by magnet, so it is a right answer. Then coin. Coin are also attracted by magnet. Then rubber. Rubber, it cannot be attracted by magnet. Then shirt, it's a cloth, it cannot be attracted. And comb. Comb is made up of plastic, so it cannot be attracted. Tumbler is also made up of silver, ever silver, so it cannot be attracted. Now, last one is nail. It's not a nail, it's actually a nail. That is called in Tamil they will call as awning. So it is a iron material, so it will be attracted. So the right answers are pin, coin, and nail. The last one is think and answer. Raja throws a ball, a stone, a pepper, and a leaf up in the air. What kind of force is involved here? What will happen to them? Yes, we can see the answer now. Actually, the force involved here is gravitational force. Then, what will happen to them? Yes, all will fall down because the earth pulls all the objects towards itself. So, all the objects will fall down to the earth. Dear children, today we saw about evaluation part. Thank you.